Developed in the US, Kolibri Domino is a professional-grade, cost-effective, and fast mixed-denomination discriminator and bill counter with all main features necessary for an easy and quick count. Accurately count, sort, and validate mixed-denomination bills, allowing to save time and avoid common human errors. Navigating through the interface of the Domino is simple and easy to learn with its user-friendly control panel. The detailed breakdown of the count can be easily seen on the large LCD screen. Domino's printer compatibility allows the user to print and keep a hard copy of the reports. Innovative counterfeit protection, Kolibri Domino has all main modes and functions to be a perfect fit for the business. For example, it can count a mixed denomination batch of bills at a speed of 1,200 bills per minute while scanning and sorting out counterfeit bills on the mix mode. Kolibri Domino makes sorting and organizing mixed denomination bill stacks quicker and more efficient. With its sort mode, it goes through mixed denomination bills sorting by the first bill in the stack. Batch function allows to create an equal bill stacks of any quantity and can be enabled with all counting and sorting modes, including the add function. Add function allows counting multiple stacks of bills while keeping the total count of all stacks run through the Kolibri Domino. Add function can be enabled with all counting and sorting modes, including the batch function. Kolibri Domino went ahead of its competitors and is pleased to announce its new and advanced V-sort mode, which helps to sort the bills by each denomination while keeping the tally of the total count. The Kolibri Domino is built for North America and can sort and count not only paper currencies like the US dollar, but also polymer currencies like Canadian dollar and Mexican pesos.